सो हेलो नमस्कार टू द ऑल केमिस्ट्री लवर्स, डॉक्टर्स एंड इंजीनियर्स ऑफ द नियर फ्यूचर। मैं विजय कुमार सोनी आपका स्वागत करता हूं इन केमिस्ट्री वाला चैनल रिगार्डिंग टू योर वन एंड ओनली केमिस्ट्री। In previous video, we have discussed about the just another new chapter as a solution for the class 12th for English medium as a just both RBC and CBSE. We have discussed about the meaning of solution, about the component of solution, about the properties of the solution, about the just types of the solution as a first base on the basis of number of components. And another we have discussed about the just on the basis of the just solvent. Now we'll go with the just third base, that is your on the basis of, this is the C base, on the basis of just amount of solute. This is the amount of solute. Then there are just 5 kinds of the solution. Generally we'll take just only 2 kinds, but here is the important as of 5 kinds of the solution. This is the 5 kinds. What are they? First solution is your, you can say, dilute solution. Dilute solution. It is also denoted by DIL solution. Many times we'll use just dilute SO4, dilute HCl, so on. Second is your, this is the concentrated solution. It is denoted by concentrated solution, CONC. Concentrated solution. Now the third type is your unsaturated solution. Fourth is your saturated solution. And fifth is your super saturated solution. These are the just 5 kinds of the solution. First of all, I would like to go with the dilute solution. This is the dilute solution. We can say that type of solution in which there is very low amount of solute, then that is called as just your dilute solution. If you'll go with the just another kind, then that is your concentrated solution. Just here, type of solution having large amount of solute called as just your concentrated solution. First is your dilute and second is your concentrated solution. Now I would like to go with the just unsaturated solution. This is the third type, unsaturated solution. For this, what will be? Here will unsaturated solution. Type of solution in which further solute can be dissolved at the same temperature, means पर्टिकुलर उसमें और सॉल्यूट डिजोल्व हो सके, उस टाइप के सॉल्यूशन को हम अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन कहते हैं। इंपॉर्टेंट बात आती है सॉल्युबिलिटी प्रोडक्ट की, So in that case particular, for these solution, this is the solubility product KSP will be larger than the concentration of cation and concentration of anion. If we'll go with the just dilute solution, then we can add further more solute also and in concentrated also. So what we can say that both dilute and concentrated solution are called as unsaturated solution. पर्टिकुलर इनको अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन भी कहेंगे, डाइल्यूट को और कंसंट्रेटेड को. नाउ द टाइम टू डिस्कस अबाउट द फर्दर, दैट इज योर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. Saturated solution. For this we can say just the maximum amount of solute, the maximum amount of solute dissolved in 100 gram of solvent at definite temperature called as solubility, and the solution is called as saturated solution. डिफाइनेड टेम्परेचर पे 100 ग्राम सॉल्वेंट में पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूट का कितना अमाउंट मैक्सिमम डिसॉल्व है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज जस्ट सॉल्युबिलिटी, एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड एज जस्ट योर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. For this type of the solution, it will be KSP equals to concentration of cation and concentration of anion. This is the condition for the just your saturated solution. This is for the unsaturated solution. Now the time to discuss about the supersaturated solution. Now the time to discuss about the further next kind of the solution, that is your super saturated solution. What is the meaning of saturated solution? This is the super saturated solution. This is your super saturated solution. You can say the maximum amount of solute dissolved in just solvent to make saturated solution is called as just super saturated solution. For this kind of the solution, amount of solute will be in very excess, or you can say excessive. मीन्स पर्टिकुलर सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन बनाने के लिए पर्टिकुलर रिक्वायर्ड अमाउंट से भी ज्यादा सॉलिड डिसॉल्व हो, and that is called as a super saturated solution. For the particular this kind of the solution, the conditions will be just you can say KSP will be less than A plus and B minus, means concentration of cation and anion will be larger than the solubility product. KSP is the solubility product. Now the time to discuss about the just you can say we have discussed about the three bases. Now the time to discuss about the fourth base, that is your D base. On the basis of you can say physical state of component. Regarding to this component may in components means solid and solvent may as a solid, liquid and gas, both solid and solvent. So on the basis of this we can say this is the solute, this is the, we can say just there are three types of the solution. Three types of the solution. There are three types of solution. What are they? First is your solid solution. Second is your liquid solution, and the third is your, you can say gas solution. This is the gas solution, and this will be on the basis of the just physical state of the solvent especially. So what will be, if you can say with the just first type as a solid solution, then the conditions will be this is the solute, this is the solvent, this is the solution, and regarding to this, here we can take examples. First, as a solid solution, we can take as a solute, solid, liquid and gas. Now the solvent will solid, and here will also solid. So the first type regarding to solid solution will be solid solution, liquid solid solution and gas solid solution. If we'll go with the just type, then we can say this is called as solid solution, this is called as liquid solid solution, this is called as gas solid solution. If we'll go with the example, then here is solid regarding all kinds of the alloys. All kinds of the alloys. If you want to go with the alloy, then you can take the example of brass. This is the best example. It exists copper plus Zn as a 20% zinc, as a 80% it will be copper. So copper will be as a solvent and Zn will be as a solute, and both exist in solid state. So this is the one of the kind of the solid solution. Another is your liquid solid solution. For this we can take all kinds of the amalgam. This is the all alloys. This is the all amalgam. Amalgam. Amalgam is made up with the just mercury. So we can add just mercury in the liquid form and dust form of the metal, then it will formation of the amalgam. So it will be example of another example of the solid solution as a liquid solid. The third is your gas solid solution. This is the most important. For this we can take H2 oblique Ni, we can take H2 oblique Pd, we can take example of H2 oblique Pt. Here is gas is H2 and as a solid there is Ni, Pt and Pd. This is the gas solid solution and this was the first type of the solution. Now I would like to go with the second type, that is your liquid solution. Liquid solution. Here the solvent will be as a liquid. So regarding to it, this is the same solute, this is your solvent, this is your solution and this is your examples. So solute is your solid, liquid and gas. For this solvent, here may as a liquid and liquid. If we'll go with the first type as a solid liquid and gas liquid, here will as a SL solution, solid liquid solution. Here is liquid solution and here is your gas liquid solution. Regarding to them, examples we can take as a solid liquid, then aqueous solution of sugar, or you can take example of aqueous solution of NaCl. Liquid, you can take example of wine, means mixture of alcohol and water, both are liquid. And gas dissolved in liquid, we can take just as a all kinds of the cold drinks as a soda water also. So this was about the type of the solution on the basis of physical state. I will take just one more slide also, see the matter properly. Now the time to discuss about the next third type as a gas solution. This is the gas solution as a third type. Gas solution. For this, here is the solute, here is the solvent, here is the solution and here is the examples. For this, we can take as a solute, we have discussed the solvent should be in the same state. So solvent here will gas, here will gas, here will gas. As a solute there may be solid, liquid and gas. For this first type, we can say this is the solid dissolved in gas. So we can take as an example, just this will be solid gas solution. As an example, we can take smoke. This is the very important example, because carbon particle will be as a solid and air will be as a gas. So smoke is the best example. As a liquid gas, liquid dissolved in gas. For this we can take the example of, you can say, for this we can take an example of sublimation also. And if we go with the just liquid gas, then we can take example of this is the liquid gas solution, and we can take the example of just vapor. If we go with the further gas, this is called as gas solution. For this, we can take the example of air, where just O2 is 21% as a solute and N2 will be as a 78% as a solvent. So this was about the type of solution on the basis of amount of solute and on the basis of the physical state of the components. So we will meet in the next video with a new topic as a concentration units of the solution. Till then, शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. यही अपना प्यार देते रहिए. No doubt we will succeed and will get all the achievements. तब तक के लिए शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद.